Hey investors and crypto fans, it's July 2025 and the crypto world is on fire. From Bitcoin smashing $100K to the US prepping new tax laws plus Elon Musk dropping fiat bomb quotes, let's break down what's shaking up your portfolio this month. Bitcoin's not just holding, it's thriving. Trading above $100,000 for weeks fueled by institutional buys and new regulations. Some analysts say we could jump another 25% to $135K by September. Crazy, right? Meanwhile in DC, the House is rolling out the red carpet for crypto. Big hearings are set for July 9th, talking about turning America into the global crypto capital plus an entire crypto week mid-July. That means new tax frameworks that could finally unlock huge institutional money. And yeah, Elon's back in headlines, his new America party, fully behind Bitcoin. He literally said, fiat is hopeless. Could political crypto adoption actually be coming? Don't sleep on altcoins either. Top picks right now, Litecoin, Filecoin, Hedera, all showing strong fundamentals. But watch out, meme coins like Pepe are down 40% since May. Volatility is still king. Looking ahead, more spot crypto ETFs, potential crypto IPOs, and yes, the US even holds Bitcoin as a reserve asset now. So whether it's regulation big money moves or Elon memes, this market is loaded for fireworks. Smash that like, drop your July price targets below, and subscribe so you never miss these crypto lightning updates. Catch you on the next one and happy investing.